Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Monday, January 7th, 2019. And the one signal I want to share with you for today is Canadian dollar Swiss franc. I have right here is a buy, and the market today has been really slow, just to let you know, but that's normal for a Monday. But it's been really slow just because last week was New Year's, and this week is trying to get back on track. So don't expect a lot of movement. Don't expect a lot of pips, but I still have racked up a few pips already this morning. I'm pleased with what I've done so far today. So anyhow, the one signal I'll share with you is Canadian dollar Swiss franc CADCHF right for a buy. If we look at the chart, I want to show you something. Okay, on the 1 hour chart, we see right here that we have a buy signal but a red histogram, meaning that this is a weak signal to buy. Okay, so I think it's going to go back up a ways, but then what happens is it's going to retrace and come back down further. If we look at the 4 hour chart, all right, we see a blue histogram here which shows an uptrend, but we see a red arrow and already 3 candles coming down. So it's been going down all day today, and it's not going to go back up. Even though it has a blue histogram, it's not going to go back up again until we get another green arrow. Okay, so what's going to happen is this is going to continue down even more, even though it's showing that it's going to buy. If we look at the 30-minute, it shows the same thing. It shows a buy, right? And if we look at the 15-minute, we see a buy as well, but we see a blue histogram forming. All right, so what this signals to me is that it's getting ready to go back up. All right, it's going to go back up a ways, maybe 100 pips or so, and then it's going to continue down. All right, that's what I feel. Now it could go back up to this level here, but if we see, we have this area of resistance right here. We're stalled out earlier today and came back down again. What I think is going to happen is going to shoot back up, and it's going to go back up to this level and then continue down further. Alright, that is my theory at this point. And if I draw a horizontal line right about here in the middle of all this, we see this price right here is a pretty small gap right there. So what I'm thinking is going to come up right around here, touch, and then come down some more. Alright, and what I want to do is place a sell limit pending order to catch it on the way back down. Alright, even if it goes up even further past this red line, I know the overall trend is bearish and it's going to go down. Alright, so what I want to do, look at the 1 hour chart, you see a pretty small gap right there, and what I would do is go here and click new order. Alright, and then when I open this, I want to go ahead and change the market execution right here to deal. You probably can get more if you have the time to monitor this trade. Okay, you can place this pending order and then wait, come back. It's going to take probably 5 or 6 hours before it comes back down and forms another green arrow. What we're looking for is the 4 hour chart. We're looking for this to form a green arrow in the 4 hour chart, and I have a good feeling that it's going to go down much further. And if we see this area of resistance right here, this is what I'm looking at right here, this area of resistance. If I draw a line right here, that would probably be a good place to put your take profit. Alright, and wait for this to bounce back up again. That's what I would put my money on that coming right there, because normally once the area of resistance is broken, that becomes a support. Alright, so we're looking at this to be another support to bounce off of. Alright, so anyhow, that's how I would trade this. So let me know how you would trade this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments or whatever. Just contact me and let me know if you need any help at all. Okay, there's a personal link from our private Facebook or a personal Facebook video. Also, there's a link from our private Facebook group. Okay, if you have not joined my Facebook group, please do so, and you can post any questions or comments there, and myself or other traders will be happy to help you. Okay, so with that said, I hope you have a wonderful day, and just let me know if I can help you. Okay, thank you.